Hey man, listen up. See, baking the cake is just like tasting your dreams. When you baking that cake, the time you put in, the grind you put in, your work ethic, the money are the ingredients of the recipe that you're doing, that you're creating to reach your dreams. Now you may not know how to use that recipe, or you may not know exactly how to make the cake moist or make it rise or whatever you're trying to do particularly. But if you keep making it, if you stay consistent, you keep making it, keep going, you keep going. Guess what? Whether it take you 3 days or 3 weeks, whether your dream take you 3 months or 3 years, if you stay consistent, if you keep going, you keep going, I guarantee you can reach your dreams and reach enormous amount of success. That's the same thing with the cake. I guarantee you can make a successful cake. Why do I compare a cake to a dream? Because every cake that you bake, sometimes you're not gonna have the people there. Sometimes people don't want it, they don't want to taste your cake. They don't want to eat your cake until you have it. Now check it out, the same thing with your dream. When you get your dream and become successful, the same people who said you can't do it gonna want to work for you. Check it out, this is the hub of wealthy minds. So keep a rich mentality. Bring on Music LLC. Bye.